A radiant and beautiful morning to our highly esteemed principal, vice principals, dynamic and dedicated teachers, non-teaching staff, and my dear wonderful friends.
We welcome you all to today's bright morning assembly, proudly hosted by the enthusiastic students of Class 9C. Our assembly theme today sent us on a monumental chapter from our roots, celebrated on July 13th, Martyrs of Malabar and Kerala's memory.
To begin this beautiful day on a peaceful note, let us seek the blessings of Almighty. I invite the school choir to lead us with the prayer song.
A reading from the Holy Gospel according to St. Luke, chapter 10, verse 16. Those who listens you, listens me. Those who rejects you, rejects me. And those who rejects me, rejects the one who sent me. This is the word of the Lord.
A positive mind finds opportunity in everything. To share today's thought, I invite Abhinav.
The secret of getting ahead is getting started. I repeat, the secret of getting ahead is getting started by Mark Twain.
Thank you, Abhinav, for sharing such a wonderful thought.
To understand today's theme, we look back at July 13, which marks the historic 1931 Malabar martyrdom. Today, we honor the fearless freedom fighters of northern Kerala who have stood up with extraordinary courage. They connected their local sacrifices into grand struggle for independence.
They did not fight for praise or speeches, but so that we could live with hope and dignity. Today, their incredible legacy reminds us that true freedom lives in our daily responsibilities. It challenges us to choose honesty and unity in everything we do. To bring this powerful message alive, our classmates will now present a skit titled Who Remembers?
Years pass, generations change, but what happens when sacrifice is forgotten?
You know our names from history books, but do you know why we sacrifice our lives?
Today is July 13th. Is there any special program in school?
Yes, it is about the martyrs of Malabar.
I have heard the name, but I don't know much about them.
Sir, could you please tell me what you have done?
I am one among the many who are sacrificed for dignity, freedom, and justice in the Malabar.
We remember your sacrifice, but sometimes it feels distant from our life.
Freedom is not distant. It's in every choice you make, every right you enjoy, and every opportunity you receive.
How can we honor your legacy?
Not by remembering us for one day, not by speeches, not by flowers. Be honest when cheating is easy. Choose unity when division is easier. Choose help others when ignoring them is easier.
So remembrance is not only about history.
No, it is about responsibility.
What is the greatest tribute we can offer?
Every generation has its own struggle. For us, it was freedom. For you, it is protecting truth, justice, and unity.
Did you know your sacrifice would be remembered?
We did not fight to be remembered. We fought so future generations could live with dignity and hope. The martyrs of Malabar were ordinary people with extraordinary courage. Their sacrifice became a part of Kerala's memory and Indians' journey to freedom. A martyr dies only when people forget. As long as you remember our values, we live on.
We remember your courage.
We remember your sacrifice.
We remember your dream of a better future. We may not fight the battles they fought, but we can uphold the values they lived for. We remember, we respect, we continue their legacy. Their sacrifice is our responsibility. Their courage is our inspiration. Their memory is our strength. Jai Hind.
That was an absolutely brilliant and gripping performance. Thank you for the talented actors for reminding us that as long as we remember their values, our heroes live on.
From our mentors is like a compass that points us in the right direction. I now have the honor of inviting our respected Ma'am Reggie to kindly come forward and address the gathering.
The principal, vice principals, our guests, sisters, teachers, uncles and aunties, and my dear students. Today's assembly by Class 9C of Martyrs of Malabar, July 13 and Kerala's memory was truly meaningful. The presentation reminded us of the courage, sacrifice, and patriotism of the brave freedom fighters of Malabar and encouraged us to honor their legacy through our daily actions and responsible citizens. Students of Class 9C and their class teacher, Ma'am Purnima, for presenting such a meaningful and thought-provoking assembly. Let us give a big round of applause for Class 9C. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am, for those motivating and insightful words. We will surely implement these values on our daily lives.
Good morning, everyone. We are truly honored to have with us two distinguished personalities from the Palakkad Olympic Association. They successfully conducted the Olympic Quest quiz competition for Class 9 students on 4th July 2026. May I respectfully invite Mr. P. Rajesh, President, Palakkad District Olympic Association and Associate Vice President, Kerala Hockey, and Mr. Prasad, Palakkad District Olympic Association, Executive Member, Kerala Volleyball Association, to kindly come forward on the stage.
Not ready to take more time because of your class. The June 23rd, we was conducted the Olympic Day celebration in Palakkad district. Related to that, we was conducted lot of programs, sports related programs in the different part of Palakkad districts. Related to that, our executive committee decided to conduct a quiz competition especially for your school. Today the prize distribution ceremony. So we came for that. Anyway, with all of your permission, I conclude my words once again. Thank you for inviting me for this special day, and I will offer a full support in the sports sector from Palakkad Olympic Association side. Thank you so much.
I request Mr. Prasad to announce the results of the Olympic Quest quiz competition.
Olympic Quest. First prize, Tejas, 9th B. And Dion, 9th C. Second prize goes to Aaron Emmanuel. Aaron Emmanuel, 9th A. Adit Verma, 9th A. Third place goes to Aditev KM, 9th A. Nimish M, 9th A. Congrats. Thank you.
Congratulations to all the prize winners. Thank you, sir, and thank you, Father.
Good morning to all of you, dear and respected fathers, and my dear Mr. Rajesh, the President of Palakkad District Olympic Association, Mr. Prasad, the Vice President, and Mr. Baiju, the Secretary of Palakkad District Association, my dear teachers and my dear students. It's a moment of happiness and joy to have the leaders of the Palakkad Olympic Association along with us today here during the assembly to give away the winners of the quiz that was conducted on the occasion of International Olympic Day. Of course, they had their situations where this program was very difficult to be conducted. But under the aegis of Ma'am Regita, who was there behind our sirs requesting for this program to be conducted, finally it was given the permission, and therefore this program was conducted on 4th July, and we have had around 23 teams participating in this competition. And out of those 23 teams, we have the winners. Just now they have received their prizes. Sir Baiju, Sir Rajesh, as he was just speaking to me, the President of the Olympic Association, that there are many different associations that are working together in our own district in Palakkad, and who are also engaged in various other sports. So sir was asking us, which sport is your school more concentrated upon? So I am also left to wonder which sport actually we excel in. Well, we are trying our best to excel in different sports, so therefore, jack of all trades but master of none. Nevertheless, we have to So dear students, I'm telling you, we have to master in one or the other sports. Now tomorrow or day after tomorrow, we'll be having the inauguration of our basketball court with the match with students and staff. And of course, every day evening, we are having the coaching of our football students. Well, there are also students who are now having the coaching for the volleyball, kho and other programs. We are also planning to start archery, and I hope our PT in charges have given you the details. Well, those interested in these sports, please contact our PT in charges, Ma'am Liji, Sir Shiju, and Ma'am Jinsa, and give your names for that. And furthermore, we are trying to engage and give you opportunities as much as possible in various sports. But today, I'm extremely happy to have our dear sirs with us, and for this honor that they gave to our institution today, allowing this quiz competition and also for distributing these prizes. Dear sirs, we are very thankful and we appreciate your presence among us. Let's give our sirs a big round of applause and thank them. Thank you, dear sirs. Dear students, I want to announce a few scholarships that are already in place. I hope you all are aware of that. The SOF competition and the Maths and Science Olympiads, and especially the ASIC Scholarship Olympiad. The exams will be conducted and the dates will be given to you. Of course, there are so many names who are given for the DCL Olympiad. This Olympiad, the SOF and the ASIC Scholarship Olympiads have cash awards. Last year, none of our students could go beyond the zonal level. I expect that you learn well and be able to finally crack the regional level. The regional level has higher cash awards. And furthermore, I encourage all the students to participate in the ASIC scholarship exam, and that also in a way boosts your presence and also the presence of the school in the Kerala region. For the registration alone, I think it is around 170. Along with the book, it becomes plus 175 rupees. If you do not need the book, it is only around 170 registration. Well, students, please make use of it as much as possible, these opportunities. Also, I think you have been getting lately messages with regard to the tour that is planned for Singapore and Malaysia. Well, during the parents' meeting, some parents told that it is too soon for this to arrange the amount, etc. Well, so in that case, I arranged we cut short Singapore and made it only to Malaysia. It is coming around 59,000-60,000 rupees. Anybody interested? Only students from class 7, 8 and 9. Those who are interested, today will be the last date because already the message is given and we have to finalize. And the date is August 27, 28. And teachers too.
To reaffirm our commitment and duty towards our motherland, now I invite Shifas to lead us with the pledge and thereafter the national anthem by the school choir.
Attention! India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय शुभाशिष मागे गाहे तव जय गाहे